Yeah, echo for sure. Oga for top and you already know. Bridge won't collapse, there's a repair. But traffic demand, everybody they swear. 6 a.m. at the road like soldier. Down for the jam, Okada the dodger. Na Independence Bridge, no be joke. Hold up long like snake with smoke. Big man pull up, camera the flash. Make we fix some quick, you the yam with dash. Say he's sorry for the lane, no be lie. But my boss still vex, she won't cry. Lagos people they para, but we sabi say we go hammer. Bridge no go fall like the plan. He go run am well man to man. No be smart in the choke. Hold up mad, everybody they provoke. But safety first we dey wait. Better go come, no debate. No be smart in the truth. The show face, no they hide the roots. Apology loud is sweet, but action they speak for streets. 1 lane open, 2 lane lock. I dey inside Uber, they check TikTok. Agberu they shout, police they dire. Sun they burn, we need cool attire. But bridge fall, God forbid. Repair sharp.
I think what is appropriate is really fix some quick,
we breathe. Apology, no relief. We go rise, now the creed. From mainland down to Lucky streets. No be smart in no cap.
very
Push through even with the trap.
difficult traffic that we experienced in the last 24 hours between and the island of Lagos. I think this is apology important so that we can take full responsibility of the government, both at the national and local level, for just taking our lead. And unfortunately, it was all well intended, it was all for good causes, it was all for us to advance a future disaster that was waiting to happen. But you know how life is, there's never a best time for you to be able to do all you want to do. There will always be challenges, even when you feel that this is the best time to do this thing. So what has happened here is that Gridlock has a contract. This contract has been signed over 3 years ago, which is to preserve the integrity of the Independence Bridge. Independence Bridge today is one of the oldest bridges in the country, and it's pretty date. I'm sure you can check it. Maybe almost 89 years Independence Bridge, which connects, Victoria Island from the Bonny Camp into the marina side of Lagos Island, and it's been the oldest even in this entire corridor. But what has happened is this approach end from Victoria Island going into marina has been under severe threat. So what builders had done over the past couple of years first was to stabilize, beneath, which we can't see. They've done a whole lot of sheet piling underneath the bridge to protect and to hold the integrity, this wall. But the real job is that there's like a 15 to 20 meters, span on the bridge, which is sitting on nothing. Over the years, erosion has gone underneath and it's sitting on nothing. So that is indeed an engineering disaster that is just waiting to happen. One day, God forbid, if the part of the bridge just collapses, it will take you right into the water. So they've been on this conversation on what is the best time for us to move in and solve this problem once and for all.